XRP ETF hopes drive Ripple-linked token bulls to target $2.65. The breakout attempt at $2.57 met resistance as profit-taking emerged, though buyers held firm above the $2.52 to $2.53 zone to confirm short-term support. Institutional flows accelerated Tuesday as XRP broke from broader crypto weakness, posting steady gains amid improving regulatory clarity and controlled accumulation across key support zones. XRP climbed 1.55% to $2.53 in Tuesday's session, outperforming the broader crypto market by 2.33 percentage points. The advance came as investors continued building positions on renewed optimism around regulatory progress and ETF developments, while broader digital assets traded mixed. Canary Capital, Bitwise, Franklin Templeton, and 21 shares filed amended S1 registration statements for spot XRP exchange-traded funds, introducing standardized listing language designed to streamline SEC review under existing 8A procedures. The 5 spot XRP ETFs have been listed on DTCC ahead of a potential U.S. launch this month. Trading volume surged 20.71% above the 7-day average, confirming institutional participation. Market data showed 140.2 million tokens changing hands during the peak of the session, 86% above the 24-hour moving average, underscoring sustained professional flows at higher price levels. XRP's move contrasts with sector underperformance, highlighting the token's decoupling as regulated exposure expands globally and on-chain data points to controlled accumulation among large holders. XRP traded within a 13-cent intraday range, advancing from $2.47 to $2.54 while forming higher lows at $2.45, $2.50, and $2.52. The breakout attempt at $2.57 met resistance as profit-taking emerged, though buyers held firm above the $2.52 to $2.53 zone to confirm short-term support. Volume distribution showed disciplined accumulation rather than speculative spikes, with buying concentrated around mid-range levels, consistent with institutional scaling behavior. Late-session trading printed sustained bid activity above $2.52 as volatility normalized from early session highs. XRP maintains its ascending structure on the 4-hour chart, with RSI at 58 supporting further upside potential. MACD remains positive with a widening histogram, indicating strengthening short-term momentum. The token's failure to break above $2.57 resistance highlights near-term consolidation risk, though the broader uptrend remains intact as long as price holds above $2.50. Volume patterns reinforce constructive positioning. The 21% increase above average coincided with stable volatility bands, suggesting controlled accumulation. Order book depth across major exchanges shows consistent buy-side layering between $2.48 and $2.52. An early signal of institutional defense ahead of macro catalysts. XRP's ability to hold above $2.50 to $2.52 remains key to sustaining bullish momentum. A daily close above $2.57 would confirm breakout continuation targeting $2.65 to $2.70, while failure to defend support could trigger a corrective move toward $2.45 to $2.47. Analysts note that ETF progress and Ripple's increasing institutional partnerships continue to underpin long-term confidence, though short-term overextension risks warrant caution ahead of major data releases later in the week.